Hello students, today we are going to discuss the weightlessness. The body feels its weight due to reaction force and is acted upon by other bodies kept in its contact. We know that let this is a tabletop and a body is kept on the tabletop. The weight of the body is equal to mg and the reaction force in upward direction, and here normal reaction force, it is called normal reaction force, n is equal to mg. Both are equal and opposite. It means the reaction of the body on the other body. Here reaction of the table on the block is equal to n and weight of the body is mg, and weight will be equal to normal reaction. It means the weight of the body feels due to the reaction only. If there is no reaction, if reaction equal to 0, then the weight of the body shown on the weighing machine will be 0. Not actual weight becomes 0, but if normal reaction is 0, then its imaginary weight हम कह सकते हैं कि जो weight इसका show हो रहा है that is equal to 0. If the force of reaction acting on the body becomes 0, if the force of reaction acting on the body is 0, then weight is not experienced. This state is called weightlessness of the body. This state is called weightlessness of the body. It means कि when the reaction of the body becomes 0, then its weight showing on the balance, या हम बोले कि its it experiences the zero weight. इसका एक हम एग्जाम्पल भी ले सकते हैं कि जैसे हम वेइंग मशीन पे हम किसी को खड़ा करते हैं. This is weighing machine. Its weight on the weighing machine is let 50 Newton. If it is fall freely when a man falls freely with weighing machine attached as shown in figure, weight of the body on the machine in the condition of free fall becomes 0. So that the free fall condition is also called weightlessness, condition of weightlessness. So free falling condition is also called the condition of weightlessness. Now come to the weightlessness of satellite. when a man in the satellite, the total gravitational force acting on the satellite acts as the centripetal force. It means gravitational force will be equal to centripetal force, so that the force of reaction on each body is 0 and the body is in a state of weightlessness. Moon is a satellite, but the man does not feel weightlessness in the moon, on the moon, because moon having the appreciable mass for gravitational pull, because moon having the appreciable mass for gravitational pull. Now come to the motion of the lift, or we can say the weight of the body in the lift. This is a lift.
First condition is when lift is on the surface of the earth, the weight of the man W is equal to mg. This is actual weight in a stationary condition. Second condition is weighing machine lifted up with an acceleration a, then the weight W dash is given by, it is showing the more weight W dash is greater than actual weight W. Condition third, when machine lifted machine goes down with an acceleration a, then W dash will be equal to mg minus ma, that is m into g minus a, so that we can write W dash is less than W. जब लिफ्ट ऊपर की तरफ जाती है तो वेट ज़्यादा शो करता है व्यक्ति का, और जब नीचे की तरफ आती है तो वेट कम शो होता है. इट मीन्स यदि वो 50 किलो का है तो वहाँ पर हमको वो कम वेट शो करेगा. इट मीन्स कि 35 kg शो कर सकता है, 30 कर सकता है, कुछ भी कर सकता है. व्हेन रॉप ऑफ द लिफ्ट
नॉट ब्रोकन,
यदि लिफ्ट की रॉप ब्रेक हो जाती है, देन इट इज द फ्री फॉल कंडीशन. इट मीन्स g is equal to a, then W dash is equal to mg minus ma, that is m into g minus a, and here g equal to a, so that W dash will be equal to 0. This is the condition of weightlessness.